here is the Ruud Achiever heat pumps at the college. Not running. It's pretty warm today. I was hoping they'd be running, but I guess they're not. Fan blades are spinning from the wind because it is a very breezy day. This is the 2016 3-ton RP14. It's got an Emerson Copeland scroll compressor. And a ProTech fan motor. Sucks I haven't. Here's the other Ruud Achiever. Very good. Feels good on a day like this, though. Also has a ProTech fan motor. This is the 2014 4-ton UPNL Ruud Achiever. This one has a Copeland scroll compressor. And there's the inside there. Let's see. There's the reversing valve. And the capacitor. So, I figured I'd make this little video of them, since it's been a while since I filmed them. So anyways, thanks for watching.